Well, 2022 New Year's. Oh my God, I'm going into the new year with some Beach Swim Simulator. I'm just gonna be talking about 2021 through 2022. So this year, I'm try to get some good goals in this game. Trying to get new items and all that bullshit, but I just want to get on here and say Happy New Year's to y'all. This is the last video of this year. I'll upload more next year, but for right now, I have nothing to do. I mean, I have stuff to do in this game, but it's pointless right now for me, because I don't even play this no more. I mean, I can finish this. No, that would take too long. I do this no bear. Imagine how. Shut the fuck up, shut the fuck up. I'm gonna call my friend, y'all better scream at me. New Year's. So y'all, this is all I gotta do. I've been doing nothing over this break. I mean, oh, by the way, new videos on the test are coming soon. Whenever we can test out the new items. Whenever I wants to open up the test realms. I love y'all, and I'm gonna end this video right here. I'm gonna end it off with buying. Okay, so this is the last couple minutes of this boost, and I'm gonna be recording this boost. I already done the quest in. My plain paper planner is almost done. I got this quest to do, and that's pretty much it. So I think I'm gonna end it right here. What a year It's been a fast one, but a really fucking hard one too. Fuck. I hated 2021. But 2022, let's come back. Oh no, fuck that. Let's go back to 2020. What the fuck? I'm tired of shit. I'm gonna fucking stop